welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you this, which is a durnbury. This, I have no idea who actually makes it, because Durnbury isn't the like the manufacturer of the machine. Now me and Adam, also known as Pneumatic Collector, can't decide whether it's a Kerstar or a pneumatic. It's from 1981. It has the same motor as a Henry H3 C200 in it, 3F804GN. Hose is weird. This cuff accepts 35mm tools. It's like a high-low flex type hose. This is the earlier style of pneumatic fitting that they used. However, the fitting onto the tub is Kerstar. Now, the closest machine I found to this is a Kerstar KV30, which the tub is actually exactly the same on it. There's the back. Just very basic industrial vacuum cleaner, really. Got the on-off switch, just a little toggle switch. So we'll show you inside. That's the cable grommet. It's quite battered and worn. Got no model number on this, really. That's all that's on it. So I researched Durnbury, and Durnbury is a company that provides, or a distributor rather, of garage equipment for like workshops and valeting and stuff. They still actually supply vacuum cleaners nowadays. They supply pneumatic, and they've also got their own branded Kerstar, which I think is probably a KV20. I'm not too good on the old Kerstars, but that's the underneath. This is very similar to the setup of a pneumatic NV2. Obviously, there's the rating plate for the motor. Just make it there, 1981. Literally, it's a H3C motor. That's all that is. I've actually taken it apart quickly as well. I took this chrome bit off, and you undo the 4 screws. Oh, we're out of focus. Undo the 4 screws around the top, and that all comes apart, and you can have a look at the motor and stuff. I've brushed it out and vacuumed it out the best I can, but it will be getting fully refurbished. Here's the filter. So the cage is actually weird. There's 2 more bits to it, but they have fallen out, so I'll leave them out. But yeah, the cage kind of sits in the rim of the filter and supports it as well. But yeah, filter, that's that. And then we've got the inside. It had been used bagless previously. I've got just a cheapy pneumatic Henry bag in there at the minute, as the filter's got a nice hole in it somewhere. Not actually in the cloth, but actually around the rim. Is that it there? Yeah, I think that's it there. Just about to see that. But yeah, it's got a hole in it, so I've had to put a bag in it. But yeah, I will be refurbishing this machine. And yeah, it's quite a cool looking vac, to be fair. I paid 30 quid for it off Facebook Marketplace. It was fairly local, about 20 minutes, 25 minutes up the road. So yeah, we'll turn it on quickly. Obviously, just go and just plug it in, and we'll turn it on. So we're all plugged in. I mean, it don't run too badly now, since I've cleaned it. But yeah, could do with a full motor strip, really, clean out. Probably been used bagless most of its life, actually. So yeah, but anyway, there we go. There is this, which is a 1981 Durnbury industrial vacuum. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and of course, bye for now.